ஒரு அதார் லவ் என்கிற மலையாள படத்தில் கண்ணடித்தும் முத்த சைகை காட்டியும் நடித்த காட்சி மூலம் நாடு முழுவதும் பிரபலமானவர் பிரியா வாரியர். இவரை இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பக்கத்தில் 72 லட்சம் பேர் பின்தொடர்ந்தனர். இது இந்தி நடிகைகளுக்கு உள்ள எண்ணிக்கையை விட அதிகமாகும். சமீப காலத்தில் இவருக்கு பட வாய்ப்புகள் குறைந்தன. 2 வாரங்களுக்கு முன்பு பிரியா வாரியர் தனது இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பக்கத்தில் இருந்து விலகினார். சிலர் அவருக்கு எதிராக ஆபாசமாகவும் அவதூறாகவும் கருத்து தெரிவித்ததால் மன உளைச்சலில் வெளியேறிவிட்டதாக கூறப்பட்டது. தற்போது மீண்டும் இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் இணைந்துள்ளார். இது குறித்து அவர் வெளியிட்டுள்ள வீடியோவில் தான் சிறிய இடைவேளைக்கு பிறகு மீண்டும் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பக்கத்தில் வந்துள்ளேன் என்றும், ஊரடங்கில் எல்லோரும் சமூக வலைதள பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும்போது நான் எதற்காக இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் கணக்கில் இருந்து விலகி இருந்தேன் என்றும் பலர் கேட்கிறார்கள். மன அமைதி என்பது முக்கியம். சமூக வலைத்தளங்கள் என்னை காயப்படுத்தக்கூடாது என்று எதிர்பார்த்தேன். சமீப காலமாக மனதை பாதிக்கும் விஷயங்கள் நடந்தன. கேலியும் செய்தனர். 2 வாரங்களாக மன அமைதியோடு இருந்தேன். சமூக வலைத்தளம் எனது தொழிலுக்கு முக்கியமாக இருப்பதால் மீண்டும் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் வந்துள்ளேன் என கூறினார் பிரியா வாரியர்.
Hey guys, so I'm back from my short sabbatical from Instagram, and I'm sure that a lot of you have a lot of things to ask me about why I deactivated my account and everything. So first of all, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ മലയാളം അറിയില്ലേ, മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിച്ചുകൂടെ എന്നൊക്കെ കുറേ പേരിനോട് ചോദിക്കുമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. സോ അവരോട് മലയാളം നന്നായിട്ട് അറിയാം, പക്ഷേ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക, കുറേ ഫോളോവേഴ്സ് പുറത്തുള്ള ആൾക്കാരാണ്. അപ്പം എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു മാക്സിമം ആൾക്കാരും പുറത്തുള്ളവരാണ്. സോ അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി അവർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവുന്ന രീതിയിൽ സംസാരിച്ചേ പറ്റൂ. സോ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. ദയവ് ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. So back to the point. So a lot of you have been asking me why I deactivated my account and why I was not there on Instagram for a while and everything. So it's just that I wanted to take a break from it, because simple reason, there's no logic behind it. I know I saw a lot of people saying that everyone's online 24/7 because of the lockdown, so why would she do that at this point of time? But I don't think anything more than my mental health and my peace of mind matters to me. So even if there was no logic in what I did, to be honest, I was at peace for the past 2 weeks. I know I've not been away for like a long time because this is more like a professional space for me, and I cannot afford to be not active on it for a long time. So even if it was a short span of 2 weeks, I had a lot of fun and I was at peace, to be honest. So I had always thought that social media or Instagram or any of these things should not matter to me or should not mess with my mind at any point of time. So during this lockdown, I felt like it has started getting into my head. The likes, the posts, the follows, the unfollows. I felt like I'm under some pressure to keep up with all of this. So I thought the best way is to escape and take a tiny break from all of this. So that's the very simple reason why I took a break and I decided to deactivate my Instagram. But funnily enough, I saw that a lot of people had different comments on it, and there were a lot of articles and memes and trolls about me deactivating my own Instagram account. I don't know why people tend to make it a big deal. Yeah, I understand, but still, I mean, it's my personal space, and if I want to deactivate it at some point, I'll go ahead and do it. So even in the coming future, if I feel like doing it, I might do it, because it's totally my freedom. And the trolls regarding, I saw that someone said that I deactivated my Instagram because I was done with being trolled, and I thought that it was high time I quit. But no, sadly, it's very sad that I have to say this, but I'm very used to being trolled, so it's nothing new to me. Every day I see one or the other troll regarding me, and it's nothing new. So what's there to quit? That was not exactly why I did that. And healthy trolling is always fine, but at times some of these definitely hurt. And I've been in this industry since the age of 18, and I'm 20 right now, and these 2 years definitely are the prime years of molding someone, and I'm definitely grateful to all the negativity and the trolling and everything that I've had to face, because I'm definitely sure that it has molded me in a lot of ways, and I'm better and stronger, and I think I'm evolving to be the best person and the best version of myself. So healthy trolling is always fine. Go ahead and do it, no problem. And I saw another meme which was very, very hurtful actually. We know that we are all facing a global pandemic like corona. We are all sitting at home. We are doing nothing productive, and we're struggling in our own ways. So I saw something saying that she deactivated her account for publicity. Do you hear yourself when you come up with such thoughts, or do you think what you're writing? Who would want publicity while people are fighting for their lives, and we're just struggling and keeping ourselves home without any work, without doing anything, just so that ourselves and our families are safe? And who cares about publicity amidst all this? So that was very hurtful and very, very I don't know, senseless of someone to say that, because who would want publicity amidst all this? We're all just praying that everyone and everything goes back to normal, and we can resume with our normal lives as soon as possible. And someone like this, okay, hatred and negativity and hate comments and everything, I've been dealing with that for the past 2 years. It's nothing new for me, but I mean, at least be considerate that we are human beings as well, and we're like any other human being. Just that acting is our profession, or we love doing it, it does not mean that it's the situation's any different for us. We are also sitting at home, and we are also facing our own demons. I've been inside my house for 3 months or so now, and I have my own struggles. I have my own anxiety attacks. I panic when I think of what my career is going to be, what my future is going to be, and everything of that sort. So I have my own insecurities. I am dealing with my own problems, and just that a few years back I got a lot of fame and publicity doesn't mean that the journey has been easy for me. I'm dealing with it myself in my own ways. So it's not that anyone has it easy. So healthy trolling is always fine, guys. Keep up the good job. But when you write something hurtful like this, it just stays with you for a long time, and obviously all these remain in your head, no matter how hard you try to move on, or because definitely this is just the starting of my career, and all the hatred and all the negativity and everything definitely tends to scar you to definitely a limit. Even though I try to focus on the positivity and all the possibilities and everything, but definitely all these things tend to scar us, at least in a very little way possible. So I'd like to tell you all that just be a little considerate when you write something the next time, because it just stays. So that's that. I think I've said whatever I wanted to, and yeah, I can't be sure if I won't like deactivate my account again. Maybe in the coming future, if I feel like I need a break from it, definitely I'll go ahead and do it. And for now, I'm back, and I'll keep you all posted with my stories and videos. Okay, bye bye.